Hello, my name is Sakode. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Google Drive on your smartphone. So to install Google Drive on your smartphone, go to Play Store. When Play Store window pop up, on the search field, you type Google Drive. Then you click on it. It's my Google Drive app. So to install, you click install. I've already installed Google Drive on my phone. So to log on onto your Google Drive account, you click on Drive icon on your phone. Then you log in your Gmail accounts and password. This will give you access to your Google Drive accounts. Find the folder and Google. Thank you for watching.